SVL97-2 forestry machine. It's loaded for bear. It's a high flow, of course, with 5 auxiliary lines with the case drain, backup alarm. It's got 14 plug-in electric. It's got your auxiliary hydraulic guard, hydraulic disconnect on the backup guard. It's got your flapper, brand new pattern rubber tracks. It's got a KUBOTA and tree bucket on it. 370, I think 370 hours. It's got big time 3,000 hours from KUBOTA. It's got AM, FM, Bluetooth radio, backup camera, air conditioning, heat. Very, very nice. It's got way over $10,000, probably closer to $12,000 worth of forestry stuff on it. We put brand new 18-inch severe duty Q pattern rubber tracks on it. Very expensive KUBOTA bucket. Got all the paint on it. You can see right there, it's got the big time 3,000 hour full KUBOTA warranty. It's got your auxiliary hydraulics, high flow of course. Got your disconnect guard. It's got your cab guard.